Hey John, it's Devin again. Thank you so much for talking to me on the phone and thank you for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website you can fix super quickly so you can start beating everything auto repair, because these guys show up on the first page when you type in Automobile Repair Jacksonville FL, and you can be #1 there. I know you're probably wondering why I'm even making this video for you. It's super simple. A lot of business owners are so busy running their business, they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. The only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. I found that when I make these attack plans and I give them away for free, some business owners do this themselves, some call me back and have me help them out. Whatever you want to do is okay with me. My only goal is to help you and educate you. I'm going to talk about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. And I wanted to start by saying I love the look of your website. This logo is very, very unique. And I really love this rotating gallery. It really gives people a good idea of what your website or what your business looks like. Having a lot of photos and videos is a great idea too. Now, what Google cares mostly about to rank you is this stuff right here, all this content. Content is king in this industry, and the more you have, the better. Now, the average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words. And if I take all the words on your page and I put them into a word counter, it says you have 592 words. While your main competitor, Everything Auto Repair, these guys have 1,346. So this is one of the biggest reasons I'm ranking you. But the good news is they're not at 2,000 words. So by getting yourself to that 2,000 word mark, you're going to blow them out of the water. Also, one last quick tip. This is a keyword. It's a phrase that somebody types into Google to find your business. There's a bunch of them out there. You want to put keywords inside of your content. So as you're writing those 2,000 words, put that in there a couple times. If I search your page right now, up at the top, you can see, if I can scroll back, I can't. There you go. You can see this keyword is showing up 0 times on your page. So you want to put that in there like 2 or 3 times. So that's tip #1. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is very important. Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for your company, but they want to see relevant links. So they're going to give you a lot more power if you have other automotive companies linking to your website versus having like Pizza Hut linking to your website. Google knows you're not a pizza company. The tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't have to use this tool. There's free tools out there. Just type in backlink checker on Google and you'll find it. But it says you have 0 websites linking to you, while Everything Auto Repair has 52 websites linking to them. The easiest way to beat them is to copy them and then do more on top. Because if the links are good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you too. So all you do is you go to all these different websites that are linking to them, you visit them, and you put a link on that website back to yours. It's really simple. Most of the time, you just have to create a profile on the website and put a link inside of your profile, or maybe put a comment somewhere like on a post with the link in the comment. Sometimes you may have to click contact us and email the owner and ask for a link. But whatever they had to do, you just do those exact same things and maybe copy another competitor and do the same thing. And once you beat them with backlinks and with content, that's how you beat them organically. If you want to be #1 with that, if you want to run some ads, you can run them really easily here. I could show you how to do that because there's no competition. Nobody's running ads. So you can take all the easy leads up there. Just ask me, I'll let you know. But the last place I want to show you in this video, that really the best place to show up is in the Google My Business section, in the map pack. The reason why it's the best place is this is where the most business goes, it's where the most customers and traffic goes. Getting here just requires having more citations than your competitors. A citation's anywhere where your name, address, and phone number is listed in different directories across the web. A directory is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like, Yext, Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List. So what I would do is I'd figure out what directories JJ Auto Care was in. I'd put myself in those same ones and then add a bunch more on top. If they were in 150 directories, I'd be in like 300 directories. And that's all I've got for you, John. I hope you found this informative and helpful. Try to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have at least 2,000 words on your homepage, and you want to put keywords like Automobile Repair Jacksonville, Florida inside of your content. You're going to also want to put these websites that are linking to Everything Auto Repair. You want to visit them, and you're going to want to put a link on your website on these websites pointing back to yours. And then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than JJ's Auto Care. And John, if you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become #1 across all of Google. I recommend you get started on this as soon as possible. It does take time to implement all this, and the sooner you get started, the sooner you start profiting off of your work. If you have any questions whatsoever, or if you especially I didn't expect to see this, but knowing that there's no ads, if you want any help getting some ads set up for you, just give me a call. I put my phone number at the bottom right. I'd be glad to answer any questions you may have whatsoever. But I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much, Sean.